Alright, what's up everybody? Here's another backtesting video. Let's get right into it. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I'm excited to do what the fuck. Oh, here we go. Okay. I haven't even backtested in a little bit. I've been a little busy, but okay, let's see. Okay, higher time frame. Okay. Where are we? I think we're still in the month of March, yeah. Okay, so market maker buy mod on high time frame. Oh fuck, ES is already on the 4 hour. Fuck, I already had it like that. Okay. So respecting this 4 hour, fully wicked it out. ES same, but ES also has a 4 hour here. And then we have the 4 hour intermediate low. That's pretty significant. I don't think that we want to come all the way down here, but we're definitely in this bullish trend. So if we can get longs from here, let's go on the 1 hour chart. Okay. So we have an SMT. ES seems to be having all these gaps, and NQ really doesn't. I guess it does here, so I guess that kind of counts. I'm curious, what did the sessions do? Oh, so this is London low, I guess. I know some people don't use sessions. I don't really think that they're that significant. I've started to realize, but I do especially just love seeing what the previous sessions do, because you can definitely tell. And I do like targeting, like if for example the session high or low is significant in a sense, but we do have like an SMT in that sense, um, right? So that just shows something in a way. So maybe we get us to, yeah. Anyways, let's not waste any time. Well, right off the bat, a 5 minute inverse. It's actually crazy, but okay. SMT here, 5 minute. 50 minute. I don't know what our main draw would be because we have an SMT here, so maybe we sweep out the low, and then if we were to get a reaction from it, longs from there. But if not, then we could continue lower. Let's just see honestly. Fuck, I don't like how this looks, bro. Like the setup of it. Alright, anyways, let's just go. Instant already. Taking out this 1 hour low. Intermediate low with what ES still not taking out this low. Sorry, this low. Okay. I'm just seeing if there's like a 930 swing that would. Okay, never mind. Wow, we're shitting the bed already. 30-second. Yeah, but I don't know, cause ES hasn't really done anything. It hasn't even swept a low. So yeah, no, 100% not really something to take this early. Let's just keep playing through. Okay, ES finally swept the low and did create an SMT with 930 high, but this is also no news Monday. I guess a 30-second there, yeah. See, that's the thing though. I don't know if I would take something like that, because I mean, what? Oh yeah, ES technically filled that 1 hour, and then we had what? Bro, we had a 2 minute inverse on ES NQ, did we? No, we only had a 30-second. Fuck. I don't think 30 seconds too much, but that's definitely too much wick rejection, honestly. And then ES isn't just edged to 1 hour. I don't know. I need something better than this. Okay, come on. Okay, London High took from here. Well, I mean, now there isn't any SMT. Oh my god, that is so ugly, bro. What the fuck? Oh, by the way, this was already taken, but it's not like, yeah, it just takes out the high, but I mean, with ES just already coming into this 1 hour, and then what? It's not really like a significant thing. I don't know. But ES definitely has a target. Just what does NQ have? Like this 5 minute, right? I don't know. That looks so weird. That's like Well, I mean, it just swept London high. It wasn't anything significant like that. Maybe a Kant would be better in my opinion. Cause I don't know how much I'm loving shorts, bro. What is this? Where was 10 a.m.? What do we even have, bro? We don't even have a fucking, bro. We don't. The 30 minutes are highest. Really? Okay, it seems to me that we are not going to be bullish then. Or we're just going to chop. I mean, yeah, that's one thing we can do. I don't know, the start of the Monday is really weird. I mean, there was the setup here was 30 seconds, but this is such like a shit close, bro. And then either way, it's a 30-second where ES wasn't in a place to really distribute now. And then we had this 2 minute short, or no, 1 minute short off London lows, as London highs to the 5 minute, and that would have hit for a 1-to-1. But it's like it's so like, I don't know. You just swept liquidity. You're not really in anything high time frame or with an SMT for that case, right? And also ES just looked very choppy. Yeah, I don't know. I'll probably just skip today. That's not even a stop hunt. That is technically. That's equal lows, bro. That's equal lows. 915. 915. Yeah, that's equal lows. So if we could get a stop hunt from here, beautiful, actually. Yeah, but what are you rejecting out of? Yes, does have equal highs. See, if it was still in this 15, well, rejection. If I was, if it was still in this 5 minute, I would count it, but it's not. And then what? A rejection block. Let me guess. A 30-second inverse now. Probably. Yeah, brother. I mean, it has all these like choppy fucking technically that you can target in a sense, and you have good break even here at the 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute. Yeah, I don't doubt that such a thing plays out. Maybe if I were to get another candle to see more displacement, yeah, something like that. But even then, you're also technically generating liquidity here, and then you're not really reacting out of thing. My brother. See, that's the thing. Like, is that really valid? Is that really valid? What with the SMT, with the 30 minute? Fuck SMT with the 30 minute, and then what do you really have? You just have displacement in this 30-second bullshit inverse here. I mean, if you were, you should have took it off the 30-second, and then boom, you caught in a 1-to-1 here. Yeah, I don't. Mm, uh, I don't doubt that it's going to. And I mean, ES has equal highs, and we have all this generative liquidity. What time is this? 10:22. It's just what am I really fuck, my bad. It's in the morning. I'm making this video, but what am I like, bro? I'm not reacting off that 5 minute. I don't know. And I'm not going to take it, but I'll tape read it in a sense, just to prove I'm right. What's a valid break even? I don't know. Mm. Mm. Honestly, I'd go for a 1-to-1. Um, in a sense like this, but yes, doesn't play out. Okay, yeah, I'll probably skip the rest of the day. Nice. Okay, so that was a waste of my fucking time. Okay, next day open. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Wait, chill. Where the fuck were we, bro? We're still in this like range. Okay, so Monday came down, inverted to 4 hour. We have a 4 hour unmitigated right there. What does ES have? ES has shit. Baba, man. ES has dog ass. It just has fucking 4 hour highs. Okay, hop on 2 hour. 2 hours the same. We have what, equal highs now, or relative equal highs? ES has, yeah, bro. ES doesn't have shit. Actually, let me try using this. Where is it? I saw hella people using it before. And then we got 1 hour unfilled. So I mean, technically we can get true manipulation if price were to wanna like manipulate here before distributing and some shit, because it's like, or it's like accumulation manipulation, and then we start distributing past and target this. But I don't really have a bias in a sense, because it's like, I don't know, price is ugly. And I think, yeah, we do have news at 10 a.m. What did the sessions do? Just curious. Okay, so we do have London high here and London lows with all this liquidity. So I think London lows is definitely a good target in this sense. And looking on ES, excuse me, ES has an SMT with London lows, but London highs is still intact. That's just very weird how it looks. I mean, what is this? This is technically like a 1 hour intermediate high. Sorry guys, I'm just marking this so I know what it is, but I am trying to keep it fast paced in a way, but still actually taking trades. Yeah, let's go. Okay, 9:30 swing. Sweep on the lows. Get wow. Or my bad. We could shit the bed 100 points. Yeah. So that's something I'd like to see market open. Cont. What is it? Close to 10 a.m. Wow, and then now ES is being bullish? Are we fucking serious? Or, no, technically we get, this is actually nice. If ES then can now get this true manipulation with the 5 minute, then NQ has a 5 minute, so technically they're both in this cont. And we have still this 1 hour, yep, this 1 hour low, probably a 4 hour as well. Let's make it perfect, nice. And then technically this 4 hour relative equal lows. Yeah, no, that's a good target. If we can get the setup first off. Why the fuck is this on the 5 minute? And also, I don't like this. Equal highs, I need a stop point. Not even valid to me. Nope. No, 30-second, I would not take with equal highs right there. Stop on it, please. Why is it not working, bro? I like that we have all these failure swings, though. Nice. Instant. Yep. Okay. Now let's peep this and see what I take it. So we're reacting from this 5 minute. Okay. Yes, just looks very bullish. Are we opening up a 15-minute? Oh, we technically are. That's the thing. Do I want to take it 4 minutes before 10 a.m.? But it just looks very clean. It 100% does, bro. Like we instantly get this. Oh wait, did that even inverse? Oh my god, that did. That's so. Now that makes me wonder in a way. But ES didn't even inverse. I don't know, honestly. I think we might have to get like 10 a.m. to do something better. But definitely con shorts I want to take. But I don't know. Maybe I will. Maybe I'd like to skip one candle, just see how does it look. Don't fuck me over. I don't know. Cause I don't think we're in a. I don't want to get fucked over. I can't lie. By 10 a.m. SMT right there, and then technically we have this external SMT right there. It's technically internal and external SMT. Wow, that looks very ugly. The 15 minutes opening up. Like, see, that's the thing. Like, will price really want to come back? I will wait for 10 a.m. Honestly, it might fuck me over. Yeah, that was a great setup in my opinion. Wow, fuck, I'm actually kind of pissed I didn't take that. Fuck. I don't know. So reasoning what I should have faded the 15-minute opening up, and I've done something like this before. I don't know. I'm not thinking straight. Is that 10 a.m. can be used in two ways. 10 a.m. can be used in a manipulation or distribution way. So if you already have everything you need, you have the stop point, you have the internal, external SMT, you have the inverse, you have showing that we are clearly bearish after these failure swings. And that would have been a perfect setup in my opinion. Probably a 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Oh my god, bro. So, and because you're already in this 5 minute, this price really need to come back into this 15-minute. Wow, bro. I wish I could go back and take that because I've taken something like that before, but I could have taken it off this candle also, the 956, after seeing ES inverts it as well. Because will we truly have to, after inverting it, come back again to 15-minute and then be bearish? No. Yeah, so that was on me, guys, but this is definitely a setup I would take 100%. Let's see if I can get anything after that. That would have been like a perfect setup in my opinion. A plus basically. And I don't know if I really want to take anything after this. From the 3-minute inverse to the 5-minute, which is probably the 15-minute now. Yeah. See, here's the thing. Like, I hate taking trades that aren't with the trend in this sense. But I would definitely do something like this. Maybe something like that. I mean, you got the 3-minute inverse. And then, oh fuck, you already have the SMT with that, but you do have an SMT, an external SMT in a sense. What the fuck? How far am I? I mean, how far is NQ? The fuck? I mean, with the strong rejection from it, I would like to actually take this. And then we can go break even once ES hits like this internal higher shit. It's just more the fact of, are we now going to truly be bearish? Bullish is just where we're going to reverse in a sense. I mean, technically we're in this 2 hour. So peep that. We're in this 2 hour with the 3 minute sort of V shape after sweeping what this like kind of daily relative equal lows is what I'll say it is, like daily relative equal lows swept essentially, and then after the 3 minute inverses, and then what stop loss is at like below CE of the 5 minute wick. I just don't like that we have to overextend the TP, because I feel like that's gonna fuck me up in a sense. 15 unmitigated, which is also 5 minute internal high. And then we do have this 5 minute here. I don't know, it looks like something before I've taken and failed, but I don't want to not take it because it's still a good setup. But I don't know, I'm kind of pissed I didn't take that 5 minute con. That was fucking beautiful. Straight up. I don't know. Definitely more of what will price want to do in a sense. Is that the highest time frame? 10:03, 345. It is 15 minute. I'm gonna get it right there with rejection from it. Let's see, can I get any internal SMT? Yes, technically on the 15 minute. This is a SMT. Okay. And then we either way already have. I'd probably take this. I'd probably still take this. Fuck off, bro. I hate that it becomes like this whenever I use the SMTs now. I do think, though, I will say that it will start off like something like this, though. So I'm not gonna do a limit order, but I know that I'm gonna be in drawdown a little bit probably. 5 minutes looking a little choppy, but that was even previously. I do think that we need to hit this 15 minute. That's our new objective after sweeping, this daily shit, and then you're in this 2 hour rejecting SMT there too. What day is this, bro? Because why is NQ much farther? Like, yeah, there's a whole ass like SMT right there. How does that even look? I'll write external SMT so I realize what I'm doing. But that's low-key too much. So like, yeah. Alright, low-key, I'll take this. Yeah, so before I do take it, I want to kind of say my trade idea on it. Reason being is because we already swept all of these kind of daily relative equal lows. No reason for us to go lower right now. In a sense, we're reacting from this 2 hour, swept this 2 hour intermediate low, right? So 2 hour intermediate low is something to point out because it's good, right? Then, looking out just in generalized, right? What do? We instantly dumped on the 1 hour candle, and then 10 a.m. kind of manipulates lower, creating the SMT, sweeping out all the lows, right? So 10 a.m. kind of open low and then going higher. And then we have also bullish displacement on ES with the internal SMT, and we're targeting this. So I'll definitely take something like this. Fuck off, man. What? Bro, place the fucking order, the game. Why are you doing all this? Oh, it's already market. My brethren. Okay. Yeah, what I say, we're gonna start off in drawdown. ES already hit the 50-minute. Fuck. No, not something really not something that really matter. I can't lie. To me it already inverted it, right? That's 10:05. Yeah, 10 a.m. It inverted. If not, that shows greater strength. Unless it were to hit the 1 hour unfilled before we do, or it what's the other thing I marked down? This. Why? What's that? Fuck, I should have labeled it. Wait, no, Joe. What is that actually? I don't know what I had that as. London High, maybe? Is that London High? Oh my god, I'm fucking retarded. Okay, anyways. Yeah, we're not gonna go break even. Okay, break even. Oh my god, save me, gang. What are we doing, bro? I hope this isn't a break even trade. What is that, bro? What did I fucking mark that as? Now I'm actually tweaking, bro. What is that? That's something on ES? I mean, that's something on NQ. 1 hour inter high, relative equal highs. Oh, okay. So I just marked that to see for ES. Okay. We're definitely going to be bullish. I feel like it's either we're gonna be break even and it's gonna hit TP, or it's gonna hit TP right now. It's not gonna be a loss, that's for sure. Well, I mean it can't because break even, but I mean like. Thank you, brethren. Okay, so beautiful trade. Really, I'm gonna give my kind of thoughts on this. Honestly, I think that I would have ping ponged the fuck out of this if I took this 5 minute. Like, bro, that's actually beautiful, bro. Imagine I ping pong this. Nah, that would have been peak, yo. That would have been peak on the YouTube video, guys. Um, right here. Okay, whatever. TP's right here. It's just a fucking magnet. But reasoning behind this trade, and I kind of want to give a little sauce, is of course you don't want to catch like trades that are with not the trend, right? Like you don't want to catch the falling knife. That's what everybody says. So if we're in a clear bearish trend and then you see a random inverse to target a 5 minute unmitigated, you don't want to catch it because you're probably going to get stopped out. But why is it different in this sense? Because you are already completing your objection, where 930's objection was it kept dumping. So because it's kept dumping, I turned bearish. You know what I mean? I wanted shorts. I saw that we had these daily relative equal lows. I didn't even peep that it was a 2 hour intermediate low, which makes it even better, right? And I saw that we had this 5 minute cont, right? Now, of course, I didn't take it. Everybody saw, but right, that's fine, whatever. But after that, we saw that we instantly rejected off of it, and this is the 10 a.m. candle, right? This is absolutely peak, guys. If you see 10 a.m., right? Let's say we are whatever, this, that, right? And we're here. If 10 a.m.'s candle opens lower than the price before, we are already in discount. We are opening lower to go higher and then close higher. So it's going to look like something like this, right? Open low, go high, and then close, right? And that's exactly what we have here. I bet you for a fact we'll continue higher. I don't doubt it, especially with ES kind of leading us already, inverting this 15-minute, which is exactly why I didn't even want to go break even, like just because it took it inverted it. That's stronger to me. I did have to go break even here because it makes sense, because we could see NQ like a little bit kind of reverse or dip before going higher. But with ES leading and just how bullish we are on both assets, I think this was definitely a great setup in my opinion. Definitely like an A. Reason being not A plus, or actually honestly this is sort of A plus in my opinion. Like a nice little mech model. Definitely like a little thing. But yeah, let's go to next day, or not next day, honestly. I want to see what we do for the rest of this session. What day is it? Tuesday? I don't know how long this video is, guys. I might have to cut it off early, I can't lie. But let's just see. I assume we're gonna go higher. Wow. Oh, that makes it even more peak, knowing that my TP would have instantly gone to shit if I put it any higher. Damn, yo, that's actually peak. but I still assume we're gonna go higher. No, I guess because ES was already this high up in a sense. So if you were to look at it on NQ, just to compare the two in a sense, right? So you can see that where NQ is here is not even EQ of the range, or is EQ of the range, but ES is already like high as fuck. It took out this high, really, the 930 high and this high as well. So I guess because ES was leading, so we didn't need to go higher. But that's actually such a peak ass trade. I'll be honest. Taking this on the back testing video. Anyways, let's go into next day. I'll journal these after the vid. But yeah, that's a nice trade. I'm glad I took that after missing the con. Okie dokie. Oh shit, I forgot I'm gonna have all my drawings here. Oh fuck. Okay, let me actually go back then. I can't lie. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, bro. I fucking hate this shit. I can't lie. Or the 3-minute. No, brethren. No. Okay. Let's delete all these drawings then. Okay. Starting off fresh. Okay, yes. I like to see this now. So, what did I say? We reacted off that sort of 2 hour little shit. Of course, we went a little bit lower, I guess. Are those equal lows? Let's actually peak. What the fuck? But anyways, we went lower now. I'm not going to target that. But anyways, we went lower. And then, of course, I knew we were going to go higher. So I want to see how we are with this 4 hour right here. I see that we're in it. ES just, wow. ES is obliterating the fuck out of these highs. What high does it even have intact? This high only. Wow. What the fuck? So yeah, but I would like to see market open like at, well, actually this is not yet the 4 hour. The 4 hour didn't close yet, but I would like to see market open hit one of these. I assume what we're gonna do, just based off what I've seen before, is we will hit these 4 hours, but not the discounted, and then we'll go higher. I'm fine if we get something like that. Let's look on 1 hour. 1 hour, what do we have? 1 hour, we also have all these. We have, like, again, we're in this market maker buy model, but because we've been too bullish and haven't really tapped into anything, like, look, we didn't tap into the 1 hour, we didn't tap into this 1 hour, the 4 hour, we tapped into this, but that was so long ago. That was what? Yeah, that was the previous day. So I definitely think that I'm looking for either a setup to the retracement, or more perfectly is just get a cont from it. But yeah, I might just stop the video after today. I don't want to make it like a long back testing video. But yeah, let's just see. So ES is already doing what I wanted NQ to do, but NQ's acting funky. ES is choppy, NQ is shitty. Was that a 5-minute con? Oh fuck, it was. Yeah, I was gonna say shit. Yeah, I was actually gonna say that this was a 5-minute con. It looked like it, but I don't know what's even, bro. Is this seriously valid? No, there's no fucking shot. I mean, I guess stop on 5-minute, but we're so premium, bro. Nah, it's gonna lose anyways, right? Yeah, yeah. Either way, ES is looking like shit. Like, look at this. What the fuck is this, bro? Pure barcode. Pure barcode. What is this? Like a 3-minute, a 2-minute? No, still a 1 minute. Okay, let's get out this range. What did 10 a.m. do? Oh, we're not. 9, 10. Okay, 10 a.m. manipulated higher, leaving these lows. ES has like, wow, ES has fucking equal lows. but we did close on the 4 hour, so oof, that's tough. I feel like we'll get a short from here, but I just don't know if I want to take it. I want to sweep of this high, bro. I want to sweep of this high if I were to even think of shorts. But even then, what? No, bro, wrong shit. The fuck's going on, bro? What the fuck's going on? So we got the 15-minute unmitigated, 5-minute intermediate low, but I would want to sweep with this 30-second. I'd rather fuck myself with a 30-second in these conditions. Wow. See, that's what I'm saying. Like we're getting a short setup in the sense, but no. Yeah, I don't know. I'll probably skip today. Yeah, but what are you reacting off of? Especially because this 4 hour already inverse. Like I don't truly care that this 4 hour inverse actually, because I've seen setups where it inverses and then it just goes lower. But it's like, what are you reacting off of? It's just the fact that you sweep this high. That's the only thing that I see, really. And then the fact that ES is already so high that we need a retracement. Like we need a retracement, bro. Especially with this like equal lows that ES has and shit. Like I don't doubt that. Oh, we'll get a retracement, but like that's what I'm saying. It's not even a proper setup. Just shit the bed, bro. Already, just shit the bed. Just shit the bed, gang. Okay, wow. I'm going next day. I don't understand. Like you pump so much, so you don't get a single retracement. Only now you do. But for a solid 30 minutes straight, you are in this fucking range, from literally like 9:30 to 10:30 almost. Wow, I'm actually tired as fuck. I woke up. I don't know when I woke up. Wow, I just realized my recording's already 40 minutes. Yeah, I'll probably cut it off after this video. 15-minute, bro. How long is even valid from here? And we are instantly getting to the next video. Go to next day, open. Wow, I don't want to just get one trade a week, bro. What? Actually, I'll finish the setup. I'll finish the day off, but it'll probably be like a 1 hour video. 1 hour to do 1 week of data is like, it's all right. Okay, please don't say ES took that, brother. Are you fucking kidding me, mate? Bro, did we even tap into anything? Oh my god, just straight market maker buy model pump. What do we do? Today's Thursday, right? So the whole Wednesday, where was I? Here, right? We didn't tap into shit. Oh my god. There's no fucking way, but that's my objective. Anything else, really? I didn't think I'd be this tired, bro. What is that, the 4 hour? 4 hour here. Daily high. Okay, fuck off, mate. Yeah, see, here's the thing, though. ES already takes this, bro, so I don't know how much I'm certain about it, but it's just the fact that I'd want NQ to take it as well. But ES also already respected that 1 hour. So 1 hour intermediate low. Same on ES. ES is the leading pair. We have a 4 hour here, a 1 hour here, 4 hour maybe about to open. we're in this market maker buy model. We need a fucking retracement. But of course, for the next few sessions, I'll definitely be trading this. Like, look, market maker buy model peak. Damn, August to March. That's a big ass, really big market maker buy model. I keep spamming that fucking word. Okay, what is this, Thursday? Okay, so London lows, and then the 4 hours. So that's, I guess, something good. I'm honestly just gonna start skipping, because I doubt that we'll get some sort of setup. I do want to look at it on ES like this. Hold on. Okay, let's go. Instant 930 swing. There's no fucking way. No break-even spot at all. How does 30-second look like? 30-second obliterated the fuck out of it. But I do like it, honestly. Wow, I actually do want to take this. That's a little, like, it's definitely weird, but it's not, because I don't know. I have faith actually in this 930 swing, and I like them. And either way, reason being is we have this clear objection, but the RR would, like, fuck me in the ass pretty much. Yeah, 100% the RR would fuck me in the ass. But I mean, I will probably take this. I will probably take this. Reason being is because we, like, here's the one thing I want to say about these 930 swings. You are instantly, or let me actually replay it, because I wanna prove my point. Replay. 5-minute unmitigated. Okay. Instant 930. Not only comes to this 5-minute, this 5-minute as well. Instant rejection close off of it. So I don't even need to do anything else, honestly. I do want to play this on the 30-second just because I'm going instantly break even once we sweep the high. I just don't like how we rejected like this, but look at the close. Look at the rejection from the upside. No way, this is a dumbass loss, bro. Oh my god. Well, I mean, that just takes out the loss from the previous. Am I mad at this? I guess in hindsight, it wasn't the greatest setup with ES. You know, not inversing this 1 minute, and then it was just the rejection here. But I don't know. To me, it was something. Bro, I just like the swing, but I guess we're generating liquidity here for it. Okay, that's not a great setup. Yeah, wow. Okay then. Either way, we're rejected off this 15-minute and this 5-minute. That means we're just gonna generate liquidity for previously. Okay, bro, there's no shot this one plays out. No, again with the wicks. Okay, no, we're just generating liquidity. I'll take a setup later when I get a proper one. Probably after 10 a.m. Let's just actually skip to 10 a.m. This is not 10 a.m. You motherfucker, bro. You motherfucker. Is that even valid when I take that? Where was that? Here. 953. No, we didn't sweep out any of these failure swings. ES same. ES has equal lows. ES is in a fucking box. NQ's in a fucking 5-minute box, and this plays out. Yeah. Wow. That's nice. Interesting. Yeah, very, very, very interesting. 1003, 1004. Ooh, really shit the bed, Bubba. Wow, we are pumping tonight. I could have technically taken off that 1 minute. No, I wouldn't have. So 1, 2. Yeah, we start shitting the bed. Okay. Hey, that's the thing, bro. Do I really want to take it off the highest time frame? No, we have the 3-minute. We have that rejection, but ES took out all these lows. So I don't know, either cons from here or nothing really. I don't know, actually, I don't know. But I'm not thinking straight. I'm low-key too fucking tired in the morning, and it's like I took that stupid 9:30 shit, and then for some reason this random inverse plays out. Yeah. Yeah. If I were to take this 3-minute, then honestly I wouldn't even want it to go higher than that. But that's the thing, it already took out the overall, like what, so this is the 1 hour intermediate low, right? And then this is the, oh, this is a 4 hour now. Why is it so fucking big? Let's see what ES technically has. This 1 hour intermediate low, right? Yeah, so this is the 1 hour intermediate low as well. I don't know, I'd say that's its strongest point of rejection. The fuck is this? Oh, that's it sweeping the high. But I mean technically it already took our break even. I just don't doubt that it will play out. We don't even have any SMT to support, bro. We only have SMTs to not support. But I definitely think that's what'll happen. Yeah, just look how strong we close really. Yeah. Okay. Wow, I'm really not thinking straight. I'm talking to myself, but it's just in a market maker buy model. Wow, bro, is this a really fat fucking, yeah, it is. I guess because you're in this weekly and the daily technically, and probably a 4 hour. I couldn't even peep if we were. Yeah, I guess, right? Bro, I don't want to take this dumbass loss though, cause yo, that's what I'm saying. Like I'd be taking W ass wins. Like that win I took was actually peak, and then I like just started taking stupid ass losses for no reason. And again, you have the lower resistance liquidity, but ES already swept it all. It's just the fact that I don't think that's my main point of rejection. Where honestly, no. I want ES to come into this 1 minute and then get rejection from it. Yeah. So then from there, we would just do something like this. Because the reason being is then that I don't think we're going to be bearish. And we're not opening any 5-minute. And we did also have technically this 5-minute. But honestly, I could put it. No, I'm not doing that. I could, yeah. I will probably take something like this. I can't lie. Break even, I don't know where. But I like this. Or do I truly like this? I mean, I like this just because of the fact that I think how strong this 1 hour intermediate low is for ES to sweep. But other than that, then I guess we had this 5-minute inverse in a way. And then break even somewhere here, honestly. Or once ES takes out the 1 hour intermediate low. Don't fuck me, gang. Yeah, that's break even there. Shoot for the sky. Wait, shoot for the stars, land on the clouds. Land on the clouds. Alright. So, yeah. That was expected. That was expected. But, I'm not even pissed about that. But I do be getting break-evens a lot. So, I guess break-even once ES took drawn liquidity. Right, so. Again, kind of going through why I still took this trade, even though ES was ripping, is because that's not my main point of rejection, where if ES takes this low resistance, that's where I would like see price reject. No, I would see price reject once ES took out this. It'll probably still no, I don't think it'll still go lower because now we have the wait, yo, could I have catched a reversal off that? No, that's so ass. Either way, I don't even like 5-minute inverses, bro. Everybody fucking knows this. 5-minute inverses are fucking they're iffy, but I don't know, in this scenario, off of like this, again, rejection from there, I'm fine with that. But yeah, that's Thursday. Yeah, okay. And I'm not gonna bother to trade. I already traded twice today. This day was fucking unnecessary loss right here, and then technically I didn't even have to wait for highest time frame. But I don't know if I still would have taken that. No, because technically you would have gotten a 1-to-1 to the, or you could have done this, and then break even once ES takes it in a way. So that would have been what? Let's see where that 1 minute was. 1 minute was here, and then break even here. So once we just shoot, yeah, I guess that kind of be valid. Yeah, that'd be valid. Yes, I could have taken that. Okay. Yeah, so you don't have to mechanically take a fucking wait, what the fuck is this? Oh yeah. Okay. Road the drawings. This is already a 1-hour video, I think. So my bad, everybody. I don't know who the fuck's actually watching this, but thank you if you are. Oh, I forgot we had news at 8:30. From yesterday. Okay. Wow, this is very ass. I already don't like this. Reason being is because we have opposing SMTs. So we have an SMT here. We have an SMT here. Yeah, that's kind of shit in a way. So I guess we have the high here. We have, I don't know, the low here, I guess. And then we invert this 4-hour and respect the 1 hour. So technically I would have liked shorts more. I like shorts more, honestly. I wouldn't care too much about this SMT because it's not in anything, but this is in the 1 hour. So I guess just shorts, honestly. Just shorts would be the kind of play I'm thinking. Unless we shit the bed. Wow, I didn't think this was gonna be a 1-hour video. I'm still not taking this. Oh, yo, this is low-key a night. Hold up. I think my eyes itchy, bro. Let me go back to it. Yeah, wow. I think I actually would have taken this. What I have though, yes, already taken break even. It's just the fact that we have all this LRL, and then what does price do? Instantly tap in this 15-minute unmitigated 9:30 open. We still have LRL here, and we were choppy, and then we technically like what? We weren't in a 1 hour, 30-minute edged 15-minute. No, but it's because the fact that we were in this 15-minute. Yeah, either way, can't take it now, but shit. That's actually like a. No, actually no, bro. I'm just no. I don't know, because ES already takes all of this. That's an easy 9:30 loss in my opinion. Nah, I'm fine with continuing to skip from it. Either way, I would rather shorts, but I'm not sticking to a bias. That's just what I'd want. Yeah, Yeah, we're probably gonna continue higher now. I guess because we have been bullish in a sense. When's news at 8:30? Oh, I didn't even I forgot about that. Yeah, bro, data lows. Wait, did we get an SMT off that? We didn't. But I mean, that's like a... Yeah, I doubt that will come up. I don't... But we did also get now this 9:30 wick, so I guess we have two sort of draws in a way. But 10 a.m. save me. So here's the thing, we're just generating liquidity. But I'm not seeing anything valid in that sense. Yeah, no. Okay. Yeah, no. $10 a.m. manipulates higher and then goes lower. Nice. 30-second plays. 30-second plays. Okay. So, do I want to catch the falling knife and hit a fucking 1 to 5 RR? That would actually be so peak, bro. Imagine, yo, this is peak bottom tick right now. Or top tick. Wow. I do want to take this. Just, of course, not this RR. I'm not greedy like that. Data highs. We have a 15-minute unmitigated here that I could target. Wow, I watch too much TikTok. By the way, if you are watching this video, subscribe to my TikTok if you haven't already. AP Trades, all socials, but 30-second, ooh, I don't even be taking 30 seconds like that. But it's just the fact that 10 a.m. manipulates, bro. That's dead ass what my trades are based off of. I'm being so honest. I don't know. Only that I would like a CISD. Okay, I'm good with that now. I'm good with that actually, in all honesty. Because the recent high, then I actually like that. Then I'll be honest. If you wanna take a ride with me, so I need to with you. Got that money. This is like a definitely like a different sort of trade in a way, but I think it's still valid with the CISD 30-second inverse. I don't know how much I truly like it. Oh, technically, yo, the 5-minute inverses too. I ain't even peeped that. But I wouldn't take it because it's right at 10 a.m. Or it depends. Didn't we get, yeah, 10:01. 10:01 would have obliterated your shit. So that's why we don't take 5-minute, guys. Exactly this reason actually why we don't take 5 minutes. Wow, 30-second and 5-minute. Wow, that's really fucking telling me that I don't want to take this. I will be honest though. I 100% would want to catch at least a 1 to 2 on this. That's me being straight up. Let's see first off what I can even get like RR wise. You just have all this generative liquidity, bro. I'm sounding like a fucking nerd. Yo, guys, I can't even lie, bro. This is too much recording I'm doing. I actually have to make a YouTube vid after this. 5-minute CE of the week, because we don't even need all that. And I have work today. Oh, fuck, man. Fuck work, bro. I'll do the body of the 1 minute though. Fuck work. I can't lie, guys. You feel me? I don't want to be like greedy in a sense. I might close at a 1-to-1 manually, but that's something I'd probably take. I can't lie. And then break even at the 15-minute unmitigated. Okay, let me truly think if I want to take such a thing. Because if not, I don't want to take a random setup and then lose, and then everybody thinks I'm fucking ass because I'm posting this video on YouTube. I know how to trade, guys. All right, so fuck off. So 5-minute inverse, 30-second. It's only because the 30 seconds is actually strong that I'm kind of putting it in. I'm mainly going it off of 10 a.m. manipulates higher into price with the CISD clear displacement, 15-minute unmitigated that we need to pump into. It's just the fact that we don't really have like an SMT to support in a way. And then we also do have the 15-minute unmitigated here. And then we do have data lows, bro. Like that's kind of what 9:30 kind of here. Same with here. 9:30. Wow, this is already past an hour recording. Okay, I gotta fucking yeah, and then bro, look at the 5-minute. That's actually such peak 5-minute low resistance. Okay, I'm taking this. And then technically, yeah, that's no, not limit. Market that bitch. What do you think I am? Okay, would I be mad at myself if I lose this? I think the trade idea behind it is good. I don't think we're reacting off a key level, but we swept prominent liquidity in the sense of now 10 a.m. opening higher for us to go lower. And yeah, we are in this market maker buy model. But wait, did we sweep out this high? I would love it if we swept it out. Did we? Fuck no. Oh shit. Too many colors here, bro. Or too many shit going on. But yeah, let's just play it and see it. I would want instant dump. Wow, this is not looking good already. If I take this dumbass loss, bro. If it starts to get choppy though, I'd probably wanna get out the trade. Okay, so I will go break even here now, cause I'm not a retard. Wow, that actually made me shit my pants a little bit. It looks to me like we're chopping, so this is break even. Yeah. Interesting. Interesting. Save. Nice. Okay. So maybe the trade idea was wrong, but I don't know. I still liked how 10 a.m. opened and overall. I guess it's because we're too choppy. I mean, look at wow. Wow, look at ES, bro. Fuck. I need a Walmart scanner for this shit. Alright. Yeah, this back testing session wasn't the greatest. Wow. Is my recording still on? Oh my god. What the fuck just happened? I have to watch that recording. Wow, and my win rate goes lower because of that? How, bro? I won. That's why I don't understand, bro. I hate FX replay because the win rate doesn't make sense. I won and then I lost. That would stay the same. And then it says I have, bro, it says I have 22 break evens. I don't fucking have 22 break evens. I have a lot. Like, you could tell, like, I have a lot. But that's not 22. That's like what? 5. Oh, fuck, wait, that's actually a lot. 3, 5, 8. Ooh, that is a lot, but that's not fucking 22. Technically we're still green. Yeah, wow, I don't know what I'm doing in March, but what the fuck just happened? Oh, bro, it was my computer that fucking died, my MacBook. There's no way. I'm looking back at this recording. There's no way that it's still recording. That's kind of funny. But anyways, I'm probably going to end off the video there. Yeah, do not judge me based off this back testing session. This was very, very awful in my opinion. But yeah, I hope you guys did like that video, and I'll see you in the next one. Wow, that's really weird. Damn. All right, see you guys.